Let's make chocolate chips cookies. I melted my butter until I get this color, and I just rested in like 20 minutes inside the fridge, and I'm gonna chop my leftover chocolates to put inside my cookies. You can use what you want, and after that I'm gonna make my cookies. And now my butter gets cold. I am adding my bowl, and I am adding my eggs and brown and white sugar. Mix like 5 minutes. Flour, like that, and I am adding my salt. I'm just gonna fold it right now, like that. It's time for my chocolate. It's like that, and now it's gonna be rest like 1 hour, and I bake them like 10 minutes. They are ready. Let's taste it. Chewy. That's really good.